What if you could have a dream vacation in Danang, Vietnam, with a rooftop infinity pool and a stunning ocean view, for less than the price of a dinner back home? You're planning your trip, but you're worried a tight budget means a bad hotel. Forget that. We're about to show you 10 incredible affordable hotels, some with private beach access, epic breakfasts, and 4-star amenities, all for under $50. Stay tuned, because our number 1 pick redefines what a budget hotel can be. Welcome back to our channel Love Hard Travel Harder, your guide to the world's best travel destinations on a budget. Today we're exploring Danang, Vietnam. It's a city with hundreds of places to stay, which can be overwhelming. But don't worry, our team has done the research for you. We've sifted through countless options to find the hidden gems that offer amazing value. In this hotel review guide, we've curated the 10 best budget hotels in Danang under $50 per night, where you can enjoy fantastic amenities without breaking the bank. So, if you're looking for where to stay in Danang for your next holiday, you're in the right place. Number 10. Grand Mango Hotel Danang. Kicking off our countdown is the Grand Mango Hotel. With rooms often between $25 and $35 a night, this is a fantastic, no-fuss choice. Located in the city center, it's about a 10-minute drive from Danang International Airport. The main highlights are its clean, comfortable rooms and a solid location that puts you within easy reach of the Dragon Bridge and the vibrant night markets. This hotel proves that a budget hotel can still deliver a great experience. It's a smart, practical home base for travelers who plan to be out exploring all day and just need a reliable place to rest. Number 9. A25 Hotel, 137 Nguyen. Next up is the A25 Hotel on Nguyen Street, a well-known name for affordable hotels in Vietnam. A room here typically costs around $30 to $40. It's conveniently located just 10 minutes from the airport by car. While the rooms are cozy and perfect for recovering after a day of sightseeing, the real standout is the rooftop restaurant. It offers wonderful city views, making it a great spot for breakfast or a relaxing evening drink. It's an excellent choice for anyone wanting a mix of city action and beach access, delivering consistent quality for your Vietnam travel adventure. Number 8. Sandy Beach Nuoc Resort. Coming in at number 8, we have a different kind of stay. If you're dreaming of a beach resort vibe without the high price tag, Sandy Beach Nuoc Resort is an incredible find. It's about a 20-minute drive from the airport. While some rooms exceed our budget, you can often find their garden view bungalows for around the $50 mark, especially in the low season. Here, you trade the city buzz for lush grounds and direct access to a quiet stretch of sand. It's an experience that feels much more expensive, rivaling stays at exclusive spots like the Ocean Villas for a fraction of the cost. Number 7. Ana Maison Boutique Hotel. At number 7 is the Ana Maison Boutique Hotel, perfect for beach lovers. Just a 15-minute drive from the airport, it's only a 5-minute walk to the beautiful Danang Beach. Rooms here are usually priced between $35 and $45. This hotel is clean, well-designed, and is a great family-friendly option with dedicated family rooms. Guests consistently praise the breakfast and the incredibly friendly staff, which gives it a warm, memorable feel. It strikes a wonderful balance between a convenient location, comfort, and personal service. Number 6. White Sand Boutique Hotel. Our number 6 pick is the White Sand Boutique Hotel, a true gem for its location and value, with rooms typically around $40 to $50. You're perfectly situated here, just a 10-minute drive from the airport, a 5-minute walk to Mai Beach, and close to the Dragon Bridge. For a budget hotel, the amenities are outstanding. You get an indoor swimming pool, a fitness center, and even a spa. The rooms are huge, the views are amazing, and the highly rated breakfast has a great mix of local food and Western favorites. This hotel is proof you can get high-end perks without the high-end price. So we're halfway through our list, and hopefully you've already found some fantastic options. Just a quick reminder, all the booking links for the hotels are waiting for you in the description below. Now let's dive into our top 5. Number 5. Sanouva Danang Hotel. Breaking into our top 5, the Sanouva Danang Hotel is for those who want to be in the heart of the city. Just a 7-minute drive from the airport, it's perfect for exploring the Han Market and trying all the incredible Danang street food. With deluxe rooms often as low as $35 to $45, the value is phenomenal. The hotel is famous for its huge breakfast buffet, and many rates include a complimentary daily afternoon tea, a truly lovely touch. With a spa and sauna on site, Sanouva offers some of the best bang for your buck in the entire city. Number 4. Saha Casa. At number 4 is one of the most stylish hotels on our list, Saha Casa. This new boutique hotel has a stunning tropical design, making it a chic oasis for your vacation. It's located about 10 minutes from the airport. A highlight for many is the super stylish rooftop swimming pool, perfect for a relaxing day. Each room is uniquely designed, making every stay feel special. Prices can hover right around or just over our $50 limit, but for the aesthetic and experience, it offers incredible value. If you appreciate design and a unique vibe, Saha Casa is a top-tier choice. Number 3. Haian Riverfront Hotel Danang. Our bronze medal goes to the Haian Riverfront Hotel Danang, a dream for anyone who loves a room with a view. Located right on the Han River and only 10 minutes from the airport, many rooms offer stunning peaceful river views from private balconies. For around $45 to $55, the amenities are top-notch, including a rooftop swimming pool, a spa, and a fitness center. The hotel's location is fantastic for exploring the city's attractions. This is an outstanding option that combines a prime city location with the calm of a river view. Number 2. TMS Hotel Danang Beach. Taking the silver is TMS Hotel Danang Beach. If your vision for a Danang holiday involves being as close to the sand as possible, this is it. It's located directly across the street from My Key Beach and is about a 15-minute drive from the airport. The crown jewel is the incredible rooftop infinity pool, offering a breathtaking panoramic ocean view you'd expect from the best hotels in the world. The breakfast buffet is legendary. Prices can sometimes creep just above $50, but for the prime beachfront location and 5-star feel, the value is simply exceptional. Number 1. Monarque Hotel. And our number 1 best budget hotel in Danang is the Monarque Hotel. This hotel truly gets everything right. For a price often right around $50, it delivers an experience that feels far more luxurious. It's just a short walk from My Key Beach and about a 15-minute drive from the airport. The hotel's elegant design, exceptional service, and fantastic amenities set it apart. It features a massive buffet breakfast, a complimentary afternoon tea, and a gorgeous rooftop pool with a view. For the perfect blend of location, luxury, and unbeatable value, the Monarque Hotel is our top recommendation for where to stay in Danang. So there you have it, 10 incredible and affordable hotels that prove you don't need a massive budget for a fantastic stay in Danang. From city center convenience to the bliss of a beachfront beach resort, this list offers amazing travel tips for every type of traveler. We hope this hotel review has helped you plan your perfect trip to one of our favorite travel destinations. We've put the booking links for all the hotels we mentioned in the description below, so you can check the latest prices for your dates. Now, we want to hear from you. Which of these hotels would you pick for your Danang vacation? Let us know in the comments below. And thanks for watching. If you want more budget travel guides for your holidays in Vietnam and beyond, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy travels.